Hello students, today I am going to discuss commonly used poetic devices in poems. Now what are poetic devices? Poetic devices are the tools used by the poets to lend musical effect to the poem, to emphasize a point or to draw readers' attention. Now students, in your exam, you are asked to find poetic device in the given stanza. Sometimes the examiner may ask you to write literary device or which figure of speech is used. Please don't get confused. Poetic device, literary device, figure of speech is one and the same thing. Your answer to all these questions will be the same. Now, first type of poetic device is alliteration. Alliteration is a poetic device in which two or more words in a line have the same consonant sound. So, in your poem, in one line, if two or more than two words start with the same consonant sound, then we say that poetic device alliteration is used. Let us see some examples. Grassy and wanted where. Here, wanted where. W sound is repeated in both the words. Let's see one more example. Fingers fluttering through her wool. Here, F sound in fingers as well as fluttering is repeated. And no one buys a ball back. So here, B sound is repeated. So if in one line, two or more than two words start with the same consonant sound, then we say poetic device alliteration is used. Now next poetic device is repetition. Repetition is a poetic device in which a word, a phrase or a line is repeated. See, what is the difference between alliteration and repetition? In alliteration, only the initial letter is repeated. Here, the entire word is repeated. For example, smile and smile and smile. Here, see, smile is repeated 3 times in a line. So, poetic device repetition is used here. Next, away, away in the northland. So, here, away word is repeated twice. So, once again, repetition, literary device is used here. And rolled it flat. In this example also, 2 times the poet has used rolled, so that is why repetition is used here. Now the third type of poetic device is refrain. Refrain is a figure of speech in which a phrase or a line is repeated regularly in the poem. In many poems, you see that one particular line is repeated at the end of the stanza many times. So that is refrain. Like in this poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, said the duck to the kangaroo. This line is repeated many times in a poem, so it is a refrain. Now, next poetic device is simile. Simile is a poetic device in which a comparison between two uncommon things is made using the words like or as. See, for example, he fought like a lion in the battle. Here, a person is compared to a lion using the word like. So, which figure of speech is used here? Simile. Next, as black as a coal. Here, the bird woodpecker is compared to a coal because its body becomes as black as a coal. Next example, like rootless weeds. Here too simile is used because the scattered and untidy hair of the slum children are compared to rootless weeds. Now next poetic device which is used for comparison is metaphor. Metaphor is a poetic device in which two unlike objects are compared, but the words of comparison, eyes or as or like are not used. Say for example, he was a lion in the battle. So here also a person is compared to a lion, but the words as or like are not used here. So we say metaphor is used here. You are very clever at poking fun at the weaklings. So here you refers to the wind. So wind is very clever. It is compared to a clever and powerful person who laughs at or makes fun of weak and helpless people. So here we say poetic device metaphor is used. Next poetic device which is often used by the poets is symbolism. Symbolism is a literary device in which a poet uses one thing, usually a physical object or a phenomenon, as a symbol to represent something more abstract. For example, in 9th standard poem, The Road Not Taken, the two roads described by the poet are symbols of choices that one has to face in life. So road is used as a symbol. So here we say that the poetic device symbolism is used. See students, there are many literary devices and it is not feasible to cover all types of poetic devices in one video. Remaining poetic devices we will be covering in my next video. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos kindly subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.